Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IFRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement in this one, although a little bit of a buzzkill, not a huge nasty move, but yeah, I mean, it got up there and then got rejected back down and pulled back. But like I said, it's not like it was a crash or anything like that. But there's no doubt about it. The bulls, recovered very nicely from an extremely rough morning. So now things just become a question of, can the price recover from this move? Or in other words, yeah, the price started to bounce. Is there any sort of true power behind the bounce? I have no idea, but the nice thing about charts is it'll make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, answering that question revolves all around 290. Hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.90. And I'm not saying this will happen, but just kind of illustrate the point. If the price were to pull back here and then just continue to pull back and go below it, well, at that point, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price essentially right back at those lows where it was before the bounce happened. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price maybe does come down here a little bit. However, in this situation, behaves like that before it's starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have here? Well, now you'd have a low right there. You'd have those lows right there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have some stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's just going to progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being defined as 290. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the purple line right here, which on my chart denotes a 50-period simple moving average. You can see this one's got quite the track record, rejected by it. Well, really a fake breakout of it, another fake breakout of it, and then today was just no fake break, just literally rejected right at that level. So I'm not saying that the purple line can't be broken or anything. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level and then also be able to stay up above it. So all in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice recovery from that opening portion of the day, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.